This is Prasanna, by the way, CTO and co-founder at Munch. My other co-founder is in US, Pradeep. We've been working together for the last 10 years, so that's how we started. But I was with Infosys for a long time, so a lot of projects that Pradeep and I have delivered together. And a bit with MySys, heading engineering there, again, building software. Before start doing a startup, you normally feel, it's a nice limelight experience, right? You go do what you want and all of that. But when you actually start, that's when you realize, you are doing things which you have never done before. There's only one thing you knew. Now you have to do 100 things, And interestingly, especially in this age, there are a lot of, God-given support you start getting. And one of those is, Shraddha, your story and yourself. It's really thankful for that. One passion that we have come out of what we were doing is to help deliver better software faster and cheaper. That's really is the motto. And every time I have started a project, it's always like, let me do this the best way. It should be very clean every day. There should be, details available to my boss, my customer, everyone. Never happened. I've done umpteen number of times, big projects, large projects, small projects, working with vendor, working with partner. Nothing has worked, right? So that has been a challenge, which I've faced all my life. That's really what I wanted to solve. If you dissect the problem, why is that so? Why is that we can't deliver? Our view is, it obviously, the problem is in multiple levels. If you're a startup, the focus of that company, assuming it's a technology startup, is in the core, in the central piece, which is functional scalability. You got to run fast, make sure you run the functionality as fast as you can, right? So, to have that focus, what normally happens is you get DevOps distraction. The other support you normally need is you want some builds going, your deploys going. That becomes really a distraction. If someone is helping you there, you probably will do a great job. So focus on functional scalability and leave DevOps to someone else. That's Munch. At the SMB level, when you come, the focus, of course, there is a functionality focus, but the next level comes is the technology scaling. Now you have big customers using, now you got to take the same functionality and scale it up, right? Focus on that. But at that point in time, you already have your DevOps tool selected. Now you got to customize it and make sure you can integrate and work with the larger set of tools that you start working with. Again, focus on technology scaling, leave DevOps customization to us. And when you move to SMB, the other thing is how do you quickly add skills? Skill addition, you're going to scale people and also technology. So at that point in time, you need some bit of support, which we have within the platform, which can probably help you scale teams faster because of some of the DevOps implementation that we suggest and implement.